British Prime Minister Boris Johnson might not visit India in January for the Republic Day parade as a new potentially more transmissible strain of the virus has been discovered in the UK, informed Dr. Chand Nagpal, the chair of Council of British Medical Association. Johnson was scheduled to travel to India in January 2021 as the chief guest at the Republic Day parade in Delhi. The new virus strain is concentrated in London and England's southeast. According to media reports, a senior British doctor said that it was still too early for the UK government to decide on PM Johnson's visit, adding that the trip may not be possible if this level of infection and spread continue. The new strain is believed to be more easily transmitted than previously identified strains of the virus, reported ANI. Meanwhile, in India, the centre has ordered mandatory RT-PCR testing for all passengers and crew arriving from the United Kingdom. Due to this fast-spreading new strain of the virus, more than 40 countries have suspended travel from Britain. This new mutation has become a super spreader with a 70% increased transmissibility rate. However, it has not been found in India so far. On Tuesday, 36,804 people in Britain tested positive for the pandemic, marking the highest daily increase of the virus cases since the pandemic began in the country. As per the UK government's data, the number of cases in the country now stands at 21,10,314. On December 19, Johnson announced the new Tier 4 restrictions for London and other parts of England to combat a massive surge in infections linked to the new virulent strain. News Desk Kaumudy, English.